I'm out here in my garden today trying to prune this rosebush, emphasis on trying. I'll be totally honest, I don't really know what I'm doing. Some of these flowers dried out because I haven't been watering consistently, and I figured it was time to clean it up a bit. This is actually my first time really trying to prune the roses with some intention. I've trimmed them back before, but not really with any knowledge. I'm using these new pruning shears that I got off of the TikTok shop that are super sharp and make it really easy to cut. What I understand, pruning isn't just about making the plant look nice. There's actually some science to it. When you cut off the dead or dying flowers, what they call spent blooms, you're helping the plant conserve energy. Instead of trying to keep those parts alive, the rose can focus on growing new stems, leaves, and flowers. Plus, cutting away any diseased or dried out parts can help prevent the spread of rot or pests. But I'm still learning, so tell me, what should I be cutting? Above a leaf? At an angle? I want to learn how to do this right, and ChatGPT can only help me so much, so please let me know in the comments.